Instead of setting up each individual cut, the user has the option to save cut methods that are often used. First, set up the cut on the main screen. Once everything is set up correctly, click the Save button at the top of the screen. This will bring the user to the save screen where the user can input the method name, blade used, and any additional notes that the user would like to have on the screen during the cut. Then click the Save button to save the method. The user also has the option to copy an already existing method by going to that method and pressing the Copy button. Then edit the cut parameters on the main screen. Once all information is entered, press the Save button again to save that method. To access a save method, click the Open File button at the top of the screen and scroll through the Method menu until the correct method is found. Select the method and press the Open File button to load it. If the desired method has been used recently, it may show up on the Recent Methods section of the main screen. To load a recently used method, simply select the method to load it.